Welcome to the Propaq MD Overview module. These training modules are an adjunct to formal training. You must obtain instruction from an appropriate authority before using this device for patient care. Please take some time to read the operator's manual that came with the Propaq. Your monitored defibrillator may not include all the features demonstrated in this video. Take this opportunity to make sure you are aware of what features are available on your device. The large 6.5-inch or 16.5 centimeter screen is very easy to view in a variety of environments and from quite a distance. It can simultaneously display up to 4 physiological waveforms or all 12 leads of a 12-lead ECG. And the numerics are very large. The Propaq MD displays the current date and time on the top left corner of the screen, which is easy to see and easy to adjust. To access the Date and Time menu, highlight the Date and Time display with navigation keys and press the Select key. This can be done from the standard monitoring screen. The Propaq offers alarm settings for adult, pediatric, and neonatal modes. The latter is available only from Zoll. You can see the indicator at the top of the screen. Each mode will adjust to default alarm settings: NIBP inflation pressures, NIBP inflation volume, and initial energy settings, as well as mode-appropriate energy algorithms. Here you can see the battery status indicator, which indicates approximately how much runtime remains on the battery at current power consumption. For additional information on batteries, please review the Battery and Maintenance module. The Elapsed Timer allows you to track the elapsed time for time-critical patients. Vital sign and equipment alert messages give multiple visual indicators to make alarms easily identifiable and user-friendly. Troubleshooting is quick and easy. The Propaq lets the user know of an alarm situation in a number of ways. The parameter window indicator shows the alarming parameter in red against a white background. There are also LED lights on the top of the device that are visible from both the front and rear. Red, yellow, and green lights located on the top of the unit flash on and off when the unit is powered up and are used to indicate a patient alert, equipment alert, and data transfer. Flashing red means a high-priority patient alarm. Flashing yellow means a medium-priority technical alert, and continuous yellow low-priority technical alert. Green LED shows continuous when transferring data. The Propaq sounds an audible alarm to indicate the priority level of highest priority active alarm. The Propaq indicates the priority level using a high priority alarm, which consists of 2 sets of 5 short beeps every 15 seconds. A medium priority technical alert, which is 1 set of 3 long beep tones every 30 seconds. And a low-priority technical alert, which is a single short beep tone, not repeated. On the left side, there are basic monitoring functions, including 3, 5, and 12-lead ECG with interpretation and measurements. It also has Masimo SET Rainbow technology with pulse oximeter-based carboxyhemoglobin or SPCO, as well as methemoglobin or SP-Met measurement. The Propaq MD has non-invasive blood pressure capability from the Welsh Allyn Propaq line. The single and dual lumen hose capabilities help improve motion tolerance in the Sure BP and Smart Cuff features, which we'll talk about later. For ETCO2 or capnography, Propaq utilizes Iridian microstream sidestream technology, which can be used on both intubated and non-intubated patients. All the cabling and connections on the left side of the Propaq MD have low-profile connectors, making them less obtrusive and more durable. There are multiple ECG options, 3, 5, and 12 lead. In addition, there is backwards compatibility with most Propaq 206 cables. The Massimo Rainbow cables and sensors are compatible with all Zoll equipment using Rainbow technology. The NIBP is designed to use both new and dual-lumen hose and the older single hose originally used with the Propaq 206. The right side of the Propaq contains the ports for communications, critical care monitoring, and electrical therapies, including USB 2.0. Two YSI connections are located here in the front and can be used with esophageal, rectal, or surface temperature monitor probes. 3 optional channels with 6-pin cable connectors, known as AAMI connections, accept the most commonly used transducers for invasive measurement of invasive blood pressures. There is also a multifunction cable port. At the rear of the device, you can see the shore power battery, as well as the auxiliary power connection, which can power all of the device's operating functions and charge the battery. There is also an embedded battery that provides a 2-minute buffer to change batteries or reopen a patient record. On the front of the device, you will find 7 permanent keys down the right side, including your primary navigation keys. There are 7 quick access soft keys down the left side. The Ready for Use Rfu Indicator can be found in the top right-hand corner of the front panel. The Rfu Indicator gives you an immediate indication of the Propaq readiness for use without turning on the monitor or waiting for power-up. It shows the status of the unit based on its most recent readiness check. The Rfu Indicator has 3 states: Ready for Use, Flashing, and Do Not Use. If you see flashing or do not use, install a fully charged battery in the unit and check the Rfu indicator again. If the Rfu indicator continues to display the do not use symbol, remove the unit from service and contact the appropriate technical personnel. Once the device is turned on, a self-test will automatically occur. Be sure to review the battery level, which is displayed on the screen and on the battery itself. The Alarm Reset Suspend key both temporarily silences vital parameter alarms or acknowledges or resets functional alarms, leads off, cable off, etc. When caring for a patient, you may want to suspend potential or current patient alarms and equipment alerts for a period of time. For more information on how to set alarms, please review the Quick Access Key module. This dual-purpose key both allows you to scroll through the 3 screen modes, primary monitor multiple channel display, vital trend, and large numeric display, and closes any open, gray parameter menus. The multi-channel display is custom configurable to show up to 4 traces. Any combination of ECG and physiological, ETCO2, SpO2, IBP waveforms can be displayed at any given time. The 3-key cluster of navigation keys to the right of the screen, clockwise, counterclockwise, and select, are used to move the indicator box on the screen display and to select options. The indicator box is highlighted blue. Pushing the Snapshot key represents midpoint of a 24-second snapshot. A total of 24 seconds of data is captured, 12 seconds prior and 12 seconds after the key press. To learn more about the snapshot and how it works, review the ECG module. The NIBP key initiates or aborts a single blood pressure assessment. To learn more about NIBP, review the NIBP module. You have reached the end of the overview of the Propaq MD in-service video. For detailed information on the other capabilities of the Propaq MD, please review the other modules.